You can get Backbone at Backbonejs.org. Here you see the links to the development, production, and edge version of Backbone. As you see here, Backbone is very lightweight and is just over 6 kilobytes when packed and compressed. Backbone has one hard dependency, which is _JS. You can get underscore by going to _js.org or clicking this link here. Underscore is a great library with a lot of useful utility functions to work with arrays, collections, objects, and so on. The discussion of underscore is beyond the scope of this course, but I'll show you some of the underscore's utility functions here and there throughout the course. If you want to use Backbone views with jQuery, then you're going to have a dependency to jQuery and JSON2.js for older Internet Explorer support. To save your time, I've created a boilerplate template that you can download in the supplementary materials section of this lecture. This package has a basic HTML with some basic CSS and all the necessary JavaScript dependencies to work with Backbone. We'll use this template throughout the course. The rest of this page here is Backbone's documentation. Even though I have tried to include all the necessary concepts and tips in this course, you may still find some additional stuff here on this page. So once you finish this course and have a good and structured understanding of Backbone, it's a good idea to get back here and have a quick look around to see what else is available. I've done my best in producing this course, but just like everything else in this world, it's not perfect. So you may find better ways to do things that I didn't know.